Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. First thing I want to do is apologize for not uploading last week. I had recorded a video for Valentine's, but it didn't come out like I was expecting it to, so I got so frustrated and I got rid of the video. But I'm here today. So for today's video, I will be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing, and it's my February box. I've been subscribed to BoxyCharm for over 2 years now. So basically BoxyCharm, it is a month-to-month subscription. You just pay $21 a month, and every month you'll get a box with 5 full-size products. All the products in the box are usually high-end makeup. It could be from makeup to skincare to nail care. It could be anything. I always recommend BoxyCharm just because it's a good way to introduce you to makeup brands that you've never used before, you never heard of. Let's just get into the video. So here's the box. This month's box theme is Afterglow. Every single month you'll get a little card like this, and it tells you what you got in your box and a little explanation of what it is and the price of the product. So here's the box. This is what it looks like. All right, first thing I'm gonna grab is this right here, and this is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream, and this is what it looks like. I've received this this cream before through BoxyCharm. So this is just a cocoa body cream. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. I'm just gonna grab some and just put them in my hands. Full size, and it retails for $18. Next thing in the box is this. It's a primer, and I knew, obviously I've already opened the box, so I know what's in it, so that's why I don't have a face yet, just because I'll be using these products on me. It's the No Problem Primer, and it's from Touch and Soul. So it's a full-size product, and it retails for $18. Let's just try it. And it says create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores, wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen acts as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawless. So I'm gonna put this right here. My forehead, my nose. Ooh, it's super soft. I have some pores on my T-zone. It look good. I mean, it just blurs. It's like a blur effect, and I can see it. I can see the blur effect. I'm gonna put my foundation and my concealer, and I'll be right back. So I put my foundation on and my concealer, and I set my face. And for foundation today, I used the L'Oreal True Match foundation right here, and I used my H3 from Maybelline concealer, and then for translucent powder, I used the Airspun. Just in case you're wondering, that's what I did. All right, next thing in the box is this right here, and this is from Pretty Vulgar, and it's their Bronze Bee bronzer. It says this is vegan, matte bronzer powder, gives your skin a natural radiant look and finish, enriched with ultra smooth, oil-free, lightweight pigments. This bronzer allows for easy blending and perfect coverages. It's a full-size product, and it retails for $32. It looks like. So I'll be using my Real Technique powder brush to put on the bronzer. Ooh, super soft. It blends so fast too. I'm like barely touching my skin. It blends like butter, honestly. Next thing in my box is this eye color pencil. Let's see. Yeah, this is from Nude Sticks. It's a magnetic luminous eye color pencil. It says a super long wearing eyeshadow pencil that is soft, super gliding, and easy to blend. The Nude Sticks magnetic luminous eye color is the ultimate multitasker to achieve intense color, precise lining, and primes eyelids for all-day waterproof wear to ensure your nude glam lasts. And it's a full-size product, and it retails for $24. And it's in the shade copper foil. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. Alright, so I'm going to put this on my eyelids, and then I'm planning to use the bronzer to blend it out. So I'm going to just put it on my lids. So pretty. It like literally glides on. Pressed. And then I'm just taking the Pretty Vulgar bronzer with just a blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend that out. Let's see if it blends like it says. Even the bronzer as a shadow, gorgeous. Okay, last but not least, it is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I've been dying to use this mascara for the longest time, and I'm so happy that we got it in the BoxyCharm. And this is a full-size product, and it retails for $24. Okay, so that's basically it. I am honestly obsessed with this month's BoxyCharm. I loved everything in the box. My two favorite has to be the copper foil pencil, eye pencil, and the Pretty Vulgar bronzer. Together, honestly, they're gorgeous. Honestly, I didn't even have to try, and I love it. But today's this month's BoxyCharm retails for $118, and remember, you're only paying $21 a month. I leave a link down below so you can subscribe to BoxyCharm if you haven't. All opinions in this video are completely mine and honest. I just love BoxyCharm. I've been subscribed to them for over 2 years now, and honestly, I don't regret everything that I get. I love, and if I don't like it, I pass it on to my family members, and they love it. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.